Hi. This is longer than your 60-second reading. I'm just getting out the sage. I'm going to sage the area. I'm also thinking about the cards. What cards I should use. Oh, man. We're going to continue with the Selena. No me queda más. And you know what's interesting about the Selena, Romeo and Juliet, even the Golden Girls, that episode with Rose, it gives me a cultural difference. And maybe this cultural difference is what actually caused the breakup. Forbidden love. You have to meet at night. Why? Because you're hiding something, or is that the only time you can see each other? Oh, this deck is calling me. It's 2 decks in one. 2 decks in one. Okay. It's already going off. Okay. It's already going. Okay. I'm not accepting the 3. I mean, there is... I'll show you this. Okay. Can you see that card? I don't know if you can. Exemplar of stones. She is sitting in a cornucopia with corn. Harvest. She's a grandmother. Maybe she's ancestor. Oh my. Okay. And then you have the 10 of stones and the 2 of stones together. Finding stones and then making jewelry. Finding stones and making jewelry. 2 of stones would be the equivalent of 2 of pentacles, as the 10 of stones would be equivalent to the 10 of pentacles. There is something being made into something beautiful, is what I get out of that. All right. I feel like I have to sit in a different area. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling a little bit off. But this continuation of the readings from TikTok, it's really calling me right now to, I guess, teach, right? The Hierophant. Okay, what does 10 of Pipes is wanting to show itself. Intuition is what I think of that with all that purple. Intuition. Another form of art, painting. Maybe these are some clarifications of the person. Maybe this person's really creative. They make jewelry. They paint. Okay. Blend. Temperance, number 14. Blending families, blending cultures, balance, filling each other's cups, one cup being filled into the other. There's water falls. It's a flow. All right. I don't know. I'm wanting to move this a little bit. I don't like the angle. And I have moved into another seat. And you're really up in my face. But that's okay. I'm trying to find the camera, and the camera's over here. Yeah. I'm looking over here. Over there. Anyway. I'm looking over here, but I'm supposed to be over there. Is that your person? Yeah. Not looking in the right camera. The camera's over here. But I'm looking over here. Let's see. Can I look at the camera? I don't know. Now I'm being weird. Okay. That's all right. Okay. Okay. Welcome, energies of earth, air, fire, and water. Let us create a life of beauty, reverence, and wonder. With each season, let us rejoice. Through every phase of sun and moon, let us be in harmony. In every direction shall we offer our love. Let the reading begin. Winter, north. Night, spring. East, dawn. Summer, south. Noon, fall. West, sunset. And then you go back to winter. And if you want signs, this is it. At the top of the card, it says winter, it says north, and it says night. And every reading, there has been winter, north, and night. It is time. It's time. The reunion is here. Power of Lodge of the Pipes. Meditation, music, exemplar of arrows. I don't know if you're seeing the cards. It's very upsetting, but there we are. Arrows. That's a baby and an elder. Teachings. Exemplar. Teachings. Okay. Apprentice of arrows. The woman is there again teaching. And the boy is growing. Oh my God. Okay. Do you see this? This is gonna just like drive me mad. I'm like, please look and see. The child is growing. And that's definitely reminding me of Cupid. Apprentice of stones. Something is growing. Something is growing. I'm always thinking about the ancestors, like up there. The ancestors. My nose is feeling itchy. Oh. 7 of arrows. Well, is this multicultural? Looks like it. Feeling that very strongly. This is gonna be the last one. Besides this one's really wanting to show itself. These all are like on their backs, so I'm not giving that attention. I'm just going to let it be, and I'm gonna give out these 2, 5 of stones. I'm really just looking at the pictures, okay? And the pictures are telling me that that la 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 la, right? Yeah, lots of blah blah blahs there. There's celebration, there's dancing, there's food, there's harvest. And there's a person giving someone a necklace, jewelry. It's a gift. And then here, the apprentice of bowls, another teaching. Excuse me. Come on, please. Just let it see. Yeah. It's giving me healing attributes. Yeah, there's a healing. Okay. Oh, well, that was good. Page of Wands. The Page of Wands is going to be Googled at the moment because I think the Page of Wands needs to be Googled. I'm saving. Selena. No me queda más. I have nothing left. I have nothing left. Page of Wands. The meaning. Inspiration, adventure, new beginnings, energy. Enthusiasm, exploration, discovery, free spirit. Ambition, adventure, curiosity. The Page of Wands symbolizes inspiration, ideas, limitless potential, and free spirit. As a person, the Page of Wands represents someone adventurous and lively who falls in love quickly but may also get bored quickly. The Page of Wands represents good news. My apologies of the lighting. Unfortunately, my phone died and I really wanted to finish this Page of Wands card meeting. So you're in my bookcase, you're in the dark. My cat Enzo here is being super needy. He's like wanting some attention here. And so the Page of Wands represents good news that should be coming to you swiftly or shortly. This may take the form of letters, phone calls, or word of mouth. So that piece right there was super important to me to share. Look at him. He just jumped up. He's being ridiculous. All right. So I have a parrot cat. Now, okay. Form of letters, phone calls, or word of mouth. That is how this person is going to connect with you in the reunion. They may write you a letter. They may make a phone call, or they might do a word of mouth, which may be at your door. They're going to bring a gift. They're going to bring a gift. And now I'm thinking about doing another tarot, but it's going to be a second. I guess we had to have a little cameo. Big boy here. Okay, so as far as the cards go, I may have to do No me queda más. I have nothing left. Maybe that's the ending of this reading. I have nothing left to give. Well, let's do this instead. We'll do a Neptune. Enzo. What page? I don't want you to rip my shirt, sir. You've been doing too much of that. All right, it's going to the page of Neptune conjunct or opposed natal Jupiter. Mysteries and mysticism are fascinating to this individual. They are always wanting to uncover and find... Seems like the recordings are really having a difficult time. So, this is me bidding you guys all adieu. I hope you have a wonderful evening. I'm going to a band concert for my daughter. My daughter is having her band concert tonight. High school, right? High school years. But anyway, so I hope that you guys all have a beautiful night. The reading is pretty much letting you know that, the reunion is coming. It is here. It is winter time. Looks like the ancestors are taking care of it. Also, divine timing, being a factor, forbidden love, multicultural differences. No me queda más. I have nothing left. I feel like I should read it again. So beautiful. So beautiful. It's gonna have to be read again. We're gonna continue to know about this reunion, the meeting, the holidays, all of it. We're gonna know more tomorrow. Unless for some reason tonight my energy comes back up alive and I don't know. I mean, there is the Phantom and Kawaii cards. I'm not sure yet. But I do have to say this reading was very packed with song It's like a song. It's like poetry. This reunion. It's everything you wish for. It's like dreamy night. A dreamy night. It's gonna be full of passion. And it's a reunion of somebody you haven't seen in a while. Or that past life new love. Like, you know each other from another lifetime. And you meet at some cafe. Maybe reading a book. Are we doing a movie? A Hallmark movie. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hallmark movie. New love, you meet. Like, this meeting, you know, it could be from an online dating site. It could be. Or it could be from just social media. And you meet, and it's like love at first sight. Recognition right away. And yeah, it's like the cute little, like, flirty laugh like situation. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Or, you know, you got the Romeo and Juliet, forbidden love, like, you haven't seen each other in a long time. Something was like a divine intervention, like being put in timeout. And then, like, you work on yourself, you do all this self-love, and then, like, for some reason, like, you guys cannot get each other off each other's mind. In some way, somehow, you manifest each other out in the community. And it's like the eyes just bring it all back, and then, like, you reconnect. You know, there's so many scenarios, but from the Edgar Allan Poe tarot, it looked like the feminine, doesn't mean gender, okay? Don't take it that way. Just the more feminine doesn't see the ship coming. Like, the ship's coming in. Like, that person is, like, already on the way. They're on their way. And it's gonna be a surprise. But I gotta do a different tarot deck. I need to see, you know, we did the holiday party. I can continue the holiday party. I could continue that one. But also, maybe I should get the tarot spread book and do a new spread. New questions. And it can be about the person, of course. It can be about the person. But we might need new question. Like that song. I gotta read it again. 1 second. It's 555, you guys. 555. 555. Okay. Yeah. Selena no me queda más. English translation. Verse 1. I have nothing left. No me queda más. I have nothing left other than to lose myself in an emptiness of sadness and tears. I have nothing left. No me queda más. I have nothing left other than to bear my defeat well and bring you happiness. I have nothing left. No me queda más. I have nothing left. If your return today would be an impossibility, and this was not love, What you deny today, what you say never happened, is the sweetest memory of my life. The chorus is, I had a hope in the bottom of my soul that one day you would stay with me, and I still kept an illusion that fed my heart that today has to see you only as a friend. And even though I lived in love and totally wrong, I don't care, because this was love. For my part, the most beautiful thing, the greatest love, and even if you always give it up, for me, it was the most beautiful thing. Oh, God. So deep and so profound, and so it is love. It is love. I don't know if it's unrequited or it's just like not meant to be. Not meant to be. I gotta do my right now. God. I have to leave my house. I have to go. But this. So this is love. Do. So this is love. Oh my God. Fairy tale. Fairy tale love. Okay, true gem. True gem. Maybe a blonde female. Like, this is supposed to be a blonde female, but she has red hair. Travel. Travel showing itself again. Wow, true gem. This person. A true gem. Past life. Interesting. Wow. Okay. Union. So pretty. So pretty. Beautiful. Twin flame. Jeez. Open relationship. Wow. Okay. One more and I gotta go. I gotta go right now. Oh, this is so much energy that is like completely like just like my heart is pounding. Like it's like, oh my God. Wow. I have to take deep breaths. Open relationship again. Really wants like you to know, open relationship. Be open to an open relationship. Wow. Freedom. Yeah. Is that what it's about? Freedom. Freedom. Spiritual growth. Okay. All right. It gave me 2, and this is it. Past life friendship with a mature man. I would take it as like just more masculine. I would see him as like the emperor, you know, like just masculine. Doesn't have to be gender, just masculine energy. But yeah, friendship within the twin flame, past life, friendship, past life, twin flame, and they're a true gem. That love is so deep, spiritual. Okay, that's it. I can't do anymore. No more. All right, I really mean it. Good night.